Welcome to Sign Academy. This is class 10, chapter 11, part 2. We are going to see how to construct the scale factor of the 2 by 3. So, exercise 11.1. This question is very important for you. Construct a triangle of side 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 6 centimeter, and then a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2/3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. We learned in class chapter 6 triangles and triangles. Now we are going to construct how. So now you know the ABC is a triangle. How many centimeters? 4, 5, 6. Then 6 centimeter base, 5 centimeter and 4 centimeters are the sides of a triangle. Now after this one we have to construct the 2/3 of the triangle. Then the sides another triangle should be inside in that main triangle only. So we have to construct 2/3 of the means 2/3 of the 6 how much will come? 4, and 2/3 of the 4 is will be from what for you? 2 by 3 into 4, 8 by 3 will be 2.6 will come. Okay, same way 2/3 of the 5 centimeter, 2 by 3 into 5, then it will be 2 by 10 by 3, 3.1 will come. So you have to construct. So how we are going to construct? By using the compass, and let me see this one. So draw a line segment AB or BC is equal to 6 centimeter. We are considering BC as a base. So BC is equal to 6 centimeter, and then draw a triangle by using the compass. So how much B? B is 5 from B to A is 5 centimeter. So take 4 centimeter from B to A. So 4 centimeter, and then to A 4 centimeter, and take another arc. You know how to draw a triangle. Take another arc 5 centimeter such that AC will be equal to 5 centimeter. Now you will get a triangle. First, drawing the similar triangle, we have to construct a triangle. For that we have to draw a curve. So AB equal to 4 centimeter and AC is equal to 5 centimeter. Join the triangle. This is the first triangle. Now we have to construct another triangle which is similar to the 2/3 of. Then this is 6, 4, 5. We construct a triangle. Okay. Now we have to construct a similar triangle such that it will be 2/3 of the given triangle. Given triangle means ABC is the given triangle. So let me see how we are going to draw the 2/3 of the given triangle. So how many denominator? What is the denominator? 3 is there. So numerator is 2 is there. So for constructing we have to draw the acute angle triangle. How we are done for the line segment. Same way we have to draw the acute angle triangle, or you can take scale and you can draw a line such that it is less than 90. Mark an angle. You can mark it as a no. Then down denominator how many parts are there? 3 parts. So take and then construct the 3 parts. You can take 1.5. If it is the denominator is very big number, you can take 1 centimeter. If denominator is very small, you can take 1.5 or 2 centimeter. So here we have taken 2 centimeter, and I consider say some letters are B1, B2, B3 because B is the ray. So B1, B2, B3. Now join same what we have done for line segment B3 to C. That is denominator is 3. Now numerator is 2 parts. So we have to join from, we have to draw the parallel line through B2. Through B2 such that it should be parallel to B3C. It should be parallel to B3C. How you know the draw? Take a 1 centimeter, draw arc from B3 with the same radius, cut an arc, another arc with B2 and measure that arc, width of that arc, and then from this point you have to cut the arc. Then you will get 2 arcs. Meeting is meeting, and from B to that meeting point arc you have to join. Then this will be the for you B1, because B1 you have to take, or C1 you can take. C1 you can take. So this is a now how we are going to construct triangle? This is not a triangle, not actual triangle. We have to construct for ABC actual triangle. So now take another parallel line. Then it is this also will be take 1 centimeter or 1.5 centimeter and measure this width and from that point where it touches the line on the line, from that point you cut an arc where that arcs are meeting from the through the C. You can draw the line. That line will be parallel to the AC. That line will be parallel to the AC. Now you can name it as A dash or B dash. You can name A dash. You can. So now A dash BC is the similar triangle of the A dash B. C dash is a similar triangle of the ABC. Similar triangle of the ABC. You can mark the similar triangle of the A dash B, C dash is similar triangle of the ABC. You can shade the part also, A dash B, C dash. You can shade also, no problem. Then we have to do the verification. How we are going to do the verification? By using the given measurements and 2/3 of that one. Verification is very important. Construction and verification is very important. Now you know that it will be divided parallel means basic proportional theorem. It will be in the same ratio. So let me see what ratio. It should be the 2/3 of the ratio. So now we know the AB and BC we know. So now AB is 4, BC is 6 centimeter, and here also this ray also we know that when we divide into 2/3 parts. 2/3 means 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6 parts we have divided. Let me check B1, B2, B3 will be equal to 2:1. The same way here this part, which part? AC dash by BC dash by BC dash E also will be 2 parts, because that all will be divided based on the parallel we draw. So we drew. So based on that only it will be equal 2/1. So 2:1. The same way here also 2 parts, 1 parts means totally 3 parts. Totally 3 parts. Then 2/3 of the triangle. Then BC dash by BC will be C dash E will be 2/1. Then BC dash by BC will be what? Can you able to say BC dash by BC will be? Yes, C dash E will be what ratio? 1:2. Then BC will be C is equal to 1 plus 2, 3 parts. We added 1, so 3/2. 3/2. So how many parts now we reverse it? C dash is nothing but BC. So BC by BC dash is equal to 3:2 ratio, or 3/2. Then BC dash by BC will be equal to 2/3 of the ratio. 2/3 of the ratio. So we can say these parts, all the parts will be 2/3 of the ratio, or you can verify by using the measurement BC, and then same way BC will be 2/3 of the BC dash will be 2/3 of the BC. In the same way A dash E dash will be 2/3 of the AC, and the same way BC dash will be 2/3 of the AB dash B will be 2/3 of the AB. So A dash B C dash is a similar triangle of the given ABC. Thank you. I hope you all understood. You can able to understood. You can complete the remaining sums. Thank you.